Alright, this is a programming tutorial for how to program in something called Visual Studio C++ or whatever.
So what I want you to do is to go down here, do an AI, edit together. Alright, so you go here, you see where it says download Visual Studio? That's where you need to go there. Not Visual Studio Code, because VSC, for some reason or another, you're not allowed to install the C++, whatever, the C++, Visual Studio C++, without having Visual Studio as well. Because Microsoft are a bunch of morons. Alright?
So after you installed this, you would have gotten this setup installer.
Right, and then you see right here, getting Visual Studio installed already? That's installed installer, of course.
4090 Ti, it's the flagship. And this card has 8 GPUs in SLI, but only takes up
Alright,
4 PCI slot. So
alright,
that's
so I'm updating that. You have to download this and it'll be like 5 million gigabytes.
Or whatever.
yeah. Let's turn it on. That guy was still there. Whoa. Well, I guess it's this for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and please like and subscribe, and have a nice day.
Are you actually going to die?
Sure am.
Alright.
I'm the best programmer.
So after you install Visual Studio, which took you 5 years, you're going to go here into Visual Studio, modifying Visual Studio, and then you're going to look for desktop with C++ and WinUI development with C++. This is optional, but keep it because, and that's Linux and Mac if you want to learn how to use Linux C++. So you download the C++ components and
That take around 50 years of your time, because it's like 20 gigabytes. So then you have to launch. Right? And then you see this. The purple. The purple hues of Visual Studio. Honestly, not that good. There's a reason why people like Visual Studio Code. Okay. So,
you've now reached the actually getting to your projects. All of these are projects that I've done, but you probably don't care about them. So instead, I'll teach you how to create your own project. So you're going to look here, you're going to search up console app, and you're going to see a ton of stuff for C#, VB. You're going to look for this one, console app, runs in a Windows terminal, blah, 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 blah. Alright, so now you're going to put a name to your project. Bold. Shit. Also, before I do anything, I do want to say, we're going to watch someone actually make a... Oh.
I'll give him a 0 and the crash a 6-4. That has to be the most degenerate shit I've seen in a long time.
Partial differential equations govern everything from fluid dynamics to finance, but solving
Well,
them efficiently has always been a challenge. Traditional
I was going to show
solvers
you.
are
Yeah, I'm
slow,
gonna do it.
expensive, and
You see,
grid-dependent.
if you search up C++,
Avoiding solve
what
entire
I'm teaching you is
algorithms
free knowledge. You don't,
Conventional PDE
you know,
solvers like finite element and finite difference methods struggle with the trade-off.
people who do all these things, they try and teach you C++ from beginner to advanced. C++, C++. You can learn C++ in 10 hours. You can't learn this shit this quickly. I mean, you can, but you're gonna forget it immediately. And also, all these things, all they want is just your money. They want you to buy their fucking... Who the fuck is Mosh? Who the hell is this fucking soy jack man?
meaning it can predict high-resolution solutions despite being trained on
Welcome to the
is a game changer for scientific computing. From designing better materials to predicting extreme weather in real time, this method opens doors to fast, scalable PD.
Your job is not finished, my son. Complete my work.
Before I died, I possessed you with a new laptop. If you destroy the laptop, I will grant a wish. Right now, the laptop is moving.
Alright, well that just happened. My computer crashed for no reason.
Many remain skeptical about Fourier neural operators.
Ultimate C++ course. In this course, you're going to learn everything you need to know about C++, from the basics to more advanced concepts. So by the end of this course, you'll be able to write C++ code with confidence. If you're looking for a comprehensive, easy to follow, well-organized, and practical course that takes you from zero to hero, this is the right C++ course for you. You don't need any prior knowledge of C++ or programming in general. Everything you need to know about C++ is in one place, so you don't need to jump back and forth between random tutorials. My name is Mosh Hamadani. I'm a software engineer with over 20 years of experience, and I've taught millions of people how to code through this channel and my online school, CodeWithMosh.com. If you're new,
Code with Mosh, bruh.
Hey, excuse me.
Hey, welcome to Draft Academy. My name is Mike. In this course, I'm going to be teaching you guys everything you need to know to get started writing C++. Now, C++ is one of the most popular programming languages around, and for good reason. It's an awesome programming language. It's actually a language that is closely related to the C programming language. In fact, C++ is essentially just like the next level of the C programming language. So if you're already familiar with the C programming language, then you're going to have no problem picking up C++. But even if you're not, C++ is a great first programming language to learn. And in this course, I'm going to teach you guys all of the core concepts for C++. We're going to start off just with the basics. We're going to get everything set up. We'll install C++. We'll get you guys set up with the text editor, and I'll show you guys how to write your first program. Then we're going to get a little bit more advanced, so we'll start looking at things like variables, and we'll work with data. We'll even write a couple different programs and some little games. And then we're really going to get into the thick of it. We're going to learn all sorts of different programming structures, things like loops and if statements and classes and objects. It's going to be awesome. We're going to cover all of these.
So basically, all these people, they teach you how to write C++, but they don't really teach you how C++ works, how we actually fucking use shit. So this tutorial is going to teach you no practical shit as well, because fuck you. I'm just going to teach you the baby basics. And before, I assume I added a part where I explained the history of computer science. Like I went over it. This is the first line of code that you always include. Include IO string. So next thing we add is int main. Now, you may be wondering, what is int main? The next line we're going to do is std cout. Though honestly, namespaces are a bit poopy because you have to type this. They are a bit poopy in my opinion. And then we use these two basically greater than symbols right here. These two symbols right here represent the stream insertion operator. And then we end on endl. And then you always end your program in a return 0. So let's see what this does. Did you see that? Jarvis, roll that back. Did you see that? See, we got that hello world, we get that new line, and then it ended? That's insane.